Okay, so I'm an estimating engineer at NUVIA. I work as part of the tendering team trying to secure winning bids for NUVIA. So I did an apprenticeship in pipe fitting and fabrication of mechanical systems. From there, a few years on site, I applied for a job in estimating. Different types of bids we work on, no two bids are the same, and everyone who we work with in the tendering team, everyone gets on really well. We all help each other out. Yeah, I play rugby league and watch it as well. Train twice a week and play on a Saturday. So after leaving high school, I went to a sixth form college where I did my A-levels there. Afterwards, a few years out working in various different places. Then started my apprenticeship, which I completed in a 3-year course, and that's a National Diploma Level 3. Motivated, challenging and hard-working. I try to cycle to work as much as I can. That's pretty much it. I live around the corner, so it's easy for me. I think it's a really good company. Everyone who works here, really helpful, really nice. There seems to be a good culture within the office. Measured twice, cut once.